Today we will learn how to use 3A multi-DC to DC step-down converter module. As you can see, here is a multiple voltage output by shorting pin and default out is 1.25 volt. Let's connect the positive and negative wire of the LED strip to the module output pin. Let's connect the positive and negative wire of the 12-volt DC jack to the input pin of the module. Let's check our circuit by 12-volt and 2-ampere adapter. As you can see, when we short multiple voltage pin of the module, then the LED brightness will be increasing. As you see, when we short the 3.3 volt pin of the module, the LED started glowing properly, but when we short the pin to 5 volts, the LED started glowing more but got hot. Let's check the module provide proper voltage by multimeter. As you can see, this circuit are working properly.
Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for new updates.